What's up, Westsiders? So as you can see, this is not Huntington Beach. I took a couple weeks off from work so I can get out and go camping for a little bit, go see my mom up in Colorado. But for the most part, this trip is about taking roads less traveled. I've been back and forth between Utah, California, and Colorado and California, and Wyoming and California probably about 500 times. So I've been up and down the 15 a million times, but I've never come in to Utah from the south. So that was my goal for this trip, was thanks for tuning in. Hope you enjoy. Right now, just south of Moab, and we're gonna be heading into Moab area here in a little bit. Last night I got to Arizona-Utah border, and I decided that's where I was gonna stop for the night. Some cool big red rock areas, the big monuments, that's Monument Valley. And so I did some night photography, got a couple of night lapses. But yeah, I just stopped here before heading into Moab to cook some food and kind of just chill out. There hasn't really been any pull outs that are just kind of secluded, but now it's kind of starting to get a little bit of some trees and some coverage. So I pulled off the road to a marked campsite road, and that's where this is. And there's some nice clouds. So I've just been taking some time lapses of the clouds moving while I have been eating and relaxing. Because this morning's been kind of crazy. I woke up and I didn't know what was going on, but then we stopped at Forrest Gump Road Monument, Forrest Gump Point. That's what it is, Forrest Gump Point, from the movie Forrest Gump, of course.
I'm pretty tired. Think I'll go home now.
My umbrella might blow down. Okay, I'll see you guys in Moab, I guess. Hey, at least I found you. That could have been way worse. Ooh, okay. We made it to the camp. Hold on. You guys are kind of crooked. Okay, we finally got set up at the campsite. We got the tent up, the easy up, and now we're just chilling. It's pretty hot. I knew it was going to be. So I'm just going to kind of go through my stuff, get set up here at camp, and maybe think of a spot to go rip the FPV drones this evening. Yeah, it's a cool little spot, and nobody else is here except this van down at the end. So thankful for that. It is a Monday. I was trying to plan it like that, so I didn't have to battle people for campsites. Oh, just settling in pretty nice, it looks like, huh? Hi, dude. And we got no service, which is good, because that's kind of the point, isn't it? Otherwise, I'd just be looking at my phone the whole time. Okay, I think I'm gonna kind of just set up camp a little bit more and kind of relax. See you guys in just a bit.
When I go back out on the river, I leave my paddle on the shore. Let it take me down to wherever. Don't need my direction anymore. I've tried so hard to fight it. The currents will always have their way. And I'm tired of being frightened. Take me where you will today.
Okay, you guys, so it is pretty hot. I haven't been vlogging that much, just been kind of enjoying my time here. I was a little nervous to get flying FPV at first. Last night I crashed. Wasn't bad, it just kind of shook me up, so I didn't fly anymore last night. But today, on my way out here to Potash Ponds, I stopped and flew the train tracks. And then I hit this gap up here, which is pretty cool. Yeah, I just wanted to check in with you guys, hoping everyone's having a good day. It is basically my first full day here. Yesterday I didn't get in here until later in the day, and I just want to get camp set up and kind of get a good night's rest. I didn't sleep that much the night before, but today I feel rested, and we're on for adventuring. What do you say, Oj? Alright, let's get back to the fun. Woo! Chased a little goat on that one. That was kind of cool. All right, it's getting hot. Let's head back to town, at least that area. Let's go.
Baby, at night, baby, don't know how. Oh, 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 baby, let's go out. Baby, at night, baby, don't know how. Oh, 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 baby, let's go out. Baby, let's go.
Sometimes it feels like I don't belong here. Roots can't take hold 'cause I didn't fit. I can't see the way out through all my tears. And I know they always say to hold on for better days. I didn't think that I could make it. Came close to giving up every day. Ooh, the fact I'm here is kind of amazing. It's funny how destiny brought out the best in me. So darling, why don't we get high on love and let it in? Feel the flood of everything, oh, of everything tonight. Surrender till it's all too much. I'm giving in to the rush. No, I've never been, no, I've never been so alive, alive, so alive. No, I've never been so alive, alive, so alive. No, I've never been. So alive, so alive. Feels like I'm breathing in for the first time. Wide open eyes, I'm seeing it all. For the first time in years, I know I'll be alright. Look how far I made it now. Now that I made it out, I don't wanna waste any more heartbeats. I wanna see what I haven't yet. Oh, the whole damn world is waiting there for me, and nothing can hold me back. And maybe I'm fine with that. I wanna live, I wanna be right now. I wanna scream till my lungs give out. Oh, this is what it means to be alive. And I wish the time would just slow down. I can't get enough of life right now. Oh, this is what it means to be alive. Yeah, I'm finally feeling something. Yeah, I finally feel alive. 'Cause I know a day is coming when the sun will rise. Made something out of nothing, found something deep inside, and I'll always keep on running. That's what it means to be alive.